Hello and welcome to this tutorial. If you're a researcher or a student looking for an easier way to understand research papers and documents, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to upload a PDF into Notebook LM and convert it into a voice discussion. This method can make learning much more engaging and interactive. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Notebook LM. If you don't have an account, sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard where you can start adding your documents. For that, you have to click on Create Notebook. Now, let's upload a PDF. Click on New Notebook and select the Upload Document option. You can also insert URL of your document or insert it from Google Drive. There are different options available. We will upload it from device. Choose the research paper or document you want to convert into voice. After the upload is complete, Notebook LM will process the file, making it easier to interact with. Now, after uploading, there are different options available as Add Note, Voice Overview, Mind Map you can customize as per your requirements. Now move forward to Studio Pane, click on Generate. It will take a few minutes, and then it will convert your PDF to podcast-type audio. Now we can cross-check our PDF with voice narration. You can also collaborate with others by sharing your notebook, making it a great tool for teamwork and research projects. Here is the result of our PDF research article. And that's how you can use Google Notebook LM to enhance your research and note-taking experience. Give it a try today and see how I can help you work smarter. If you have any
Okay, so
question, ask in
you know
comment
how we were
box.
talking about
Thanks for watching.
predicting
If you
oil
enjoyed
well
this video,
production?
Yeah.
don't forget to
I
like,
gotta
share,
say,
and subscribe for more amazing
diving
content.
into this
Hit the
material
bell
you
icon
sent has
so you
been
never miss an
eye-opening.
update.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I
Let
knew
me
it was
know
a
your thoughts in the
complex
comments
problem,
below.
Yeah.
but I
See
didn't
you in the next
realize
one.
how
Take care
critical it
and stay
really
awesome.
is